So this is Seat Ibiza 6J 1.2 TDI gearbox fluid change. So to get to the refill plug, it's better to take off this under tray, which is 6 T25 Torx screws, 3 either side. So take that off, and then you can get up to the refill plug up the side of the front of the box, and the drain plug is over here. Okay, so this is under tray off on the floor. The filler plug is up here on the front of the gearbox. It's a 17mm hex, as is the drain plug over here. So first off, take the filler plug out, and then we'll take the drain plug out. All I'm going to do is leave that draining as long as I can. I've already been for a drive to get the oil warm. This is the new oil, 75W80 fully synthetic gear oil. It shouldn't take any more than 2 litres. As you can see, there's a filler, there's a drain. So I left it drain while I went for lunch, like half an hour at least. Refitted the drain plug and just filled it up with oil till it started dripping out the filler plug. These bottles, I'll show you. These bottles come with a spout, so you can reach up there, squeeze the bottle and fill it up. It only took about 1.5 litres. That's it. Refit the filler plug and the under tray. Job done. This is a 2012 6J Seat Ibiza. The polos are probably the same.